Hi everyone, Dan from DBaca Maker here, and I'm announcing my subscriber celebration with this video. See, I've missed two big milestones, the 200 and 300 subscriber giveaways, because I was trying to get things all sorted out for the 200 and 300 subscriber giveaways, and now I'm approaching 400. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made two new items that are going to be part of my 3-item giveaway in a subscriber celebration. The rules for that celebration will be announced in a later video. One of the items is something you've already seen me make. It's the wooden golden ratio calipers. I'm giving those away because the metal ones that I've been making, the process has just been inefficient. I've had to remake the long curved tines of this caliper 3 times, and I'm still not getting it right. And it's just not going to be ready for this video. Wow, high wind. So I'm going to be using the wooden ones as the giveaway item. And then later on, I will, when I finally figure out how to make the calipers right, I will put that out there. So that series of videos is on hold. I'm just going to put out one more video on it from the start to the finish later. But for right now, watch the video and see how I made the 2 other items. it's time for a little grinding, filing, sanding, and polishing. And this is why I'm not giving away the steel ones. I have a long way to go before I figure out how to make this look like that. Now, Gary Houston had done his version of this. He used the same plans and everything, but he had plasma cutters, and so he was able to cut his out of material almost like I would cut this out of wood. So I'm going to go and look for another version of golden ratio. God, look at that. That's awful. Another version of golden ratio calipers that I've seen on YouTube, and I'm going to make those. They are straight rather than this elegant curve, or in this case, this piece of crap. But now I have hook material, so there we go. This is what's for the giveaway. I had about an hour's worth of footage recorded for this, and for some reason it got lost. I couldn't recover it off of my phone. Apparently my phone would break up very long videos into 30-minute segments, and in breaking it up it corrupted the file somehow. So this is all we get of that, but this is part of it. This is one of the giveaway items. Most of the beverages I choose to drink are not of the type that require a bottle opener. Fortunately, there are people who live around us who like to just drop stuff off on the side of the road that do. And in times past, I used to brew my own mead. I don't anymore. But I have these little extra bottle caps and a bottle capper. It hasn't been used in a long time. The idea is you place the bottle cap there. It's on a magnet. Center it over that. The device closes up and attaches the bottle cap. I'll make sure that it's going to work again. All the way around. There we go. This might not be a standard size bottle, but let's see. All right, well, that was a journey. There's a lot going on in that video. So here they are, the golden ratio calipers that I made in a previous video. I've just gussied them up a bit with some brass toned post screws, so that a little bit prettier. And then the raven feather bottle opener, and obviously it's black, so it's a raven feather, and much proof that I'm still an amateur, but my little tribute to Hans Graf for his work, his most excellent artistic work in making feathers. He's pretty much inspired all of us to try somehow to make a feather. This is my attempt, and it works. I've tried it on a bottle. And then the penannular brooch. For those of you who don't know what this is, it's used to hold two pieces of very heavy fabric together, like the plaid of a great kilt. Over the shoulder, this holds it together. The spike goes through the fabric, the brooch goes over that lump that's made, and then you turn it sideways, and that holds it in place. So these are the three things that are going to be for my 400 subscriber celebration giveaway. 400 subscribers. Yeah, that's a lot, but there's a long way to go. All right, thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.